Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Neither YouTube nor Chief Brand Products has sponsored this, but I do this for the love of cooking. And if you are new to my YouTube videos, please feel free to go back and check out all my recipes and check my travel YouTube videos as well. Enjoy! Today's highlight is curry duck Trini style, but in Calgary. Let's go!
That day, I left it in the fridge to marinate. So what we're going to do, since it is overnight, I'm going to let Joelle top it up with some fresh seasoning, and that will give it that nice oomph. Joseph, how much oil are we going to put?
So we're gonna put, based on the amount of duck there, I would say maybe 3 tablespoons.
And
I don't know.
think it could be around
1,
4
2,
pounds of
3.
duck.
I think that's enough.
All right, 3 tablespoons of
4 tablespoons. Let's say 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons to what? 4 pounds of duck. I want to believe it's not a 5-pound duck.
Let's say that, yeah.
Yeah. So here is my marinated duck. We are going to put Chief Brand Products ground jeera. This is Joel's cooking right now. This is how he does his cooking. Everybody does it differently, but today we are doing his amchar masala. So how much jeera was that too?
I would say that's probably 4 tablespoons, but I just eyeballing.
Eyeball, okay. 4 tablespoons of jeera. How much amchar masala you would say?
2 to 3 tablespoons.
2 to 3 tablespoons. Check that out. Coat it on top, yet to mix, eh? Aha! You wanted curry for the duck? Here, use all the curry that you want. Alright. So how much curry that you're going to put now, eyeballing this thing again?
I would say 5, 6 tablespoons, and maybe I'll add more. I think when it comes to curry, everybody does theirs differently. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way.
I agree.
I know a long time people used to burn curry a lot,
Uh-huh.
but technically speaking, we'll be doing the same thing today.
Huh?
We're just mixing it into the meat and saying it into the meat. So we're forming it in flavors as well. They used to do that. People say, that's why you say walk your belly. That's what they say.
Ah. I remember also hearing that they used to put dal powder in curry.
Chana powder, dal powder, all these different things that used to, walk people belly, as they say.
Walk your belly part.
Now curry a little more, I would say clean, but maybe more pure because there's not much additives to it.
Right.
So
and there's lots of competition too out there, right, for curry?
Yeah, but most of the companies are owned by Chief.
Oh, Chief Brand Products, yeah, real good.
I like curry herb. Some people like kala.
Yeah.
Teach their one.
Yeah. And I think Chief Brand Products is my family anyway,
Alright.
Check it out. Alright, so this blend of seasoning has...
I put bandania, I put hot pepper,
okay,
some garlic, and what else I put? I think that was it. I put a little piece of ginger.
Okay.
But for me, a little fresh seasoning is always key.
Two.
Flavor.
Right.
And then in the end too, you always add a little fresh seasoning on top, not blended. If you have whole lamb bandania, you add it in the end. Some garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that too. And you always tell me about layering, right? Yeah. Layering with different seasoning and herbs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What is this now?
Whole jeera.
Whole jeera. How much?
I would say, I don't know, a teaspoon, half, 2 teaspoons probably.
Well, let's see. That looks just like a full teaspoon. Yeah. So 1 teaspoon of jeera, pepper for your flavor, half an onion.
Yeah, half a big onion or a small onion.
Yeah.
This is karapuli.
Which is curry leaf.
Yeah. I got some fresh karapuli, or if you have.
Yeah.
I got it there.
They sell it here as well. This is, in Trinidad, they have it in abundance. They sell it here in the Asian groceries as well. Karapuli leaf, which is curry leaf. The Indian groceries have it as well in Calgary. So You know, we're not lacking anything really. As for the duck, however, we purchased a duck at the Asian supermarket. This is the outcome. See how nice and bright yellow it is? Love it. Because of that added curry, added seasoning and stuff like that. Give it that fresh flavor. Yeah, so we're getting ready to saute. As you can see, he's sauteing the onion and the jeera, making sure that the color is going to be brown. We're going to smell the different aroma from it. That's you know, in Trinidad, that is what my mother taught me. You smell while you're cooking, you season, and with layers you put your stuff in as well. So I think, you know, he's a great cook. Girl is a great cook. He actually wants to open his restaurant over here. So this is what he did. Whole garlic. And why do you like to put whole garlic?
Well, mash up in the pot after, so it don't matter.
Right, right.
So you add grated fresh garlic in the end.
Okay, yeah. And you take off your pot then as well, the fire.
Now I coming down to the end and let bubble on just for a couple of minutes.
Alright. Look at that, people. Check it up close up here with. So check this out, people. You see how soft and nice that onion is beginning to look? We're nearly about the time. We just want our jeera to get a little more brown. Is that what we're waiting for, Joe?
And to brown the onions.
And to brown the onions. Great job. Like how we normally do things in this house. It's about that time, people. We are going to Chonkay the pot. What a lovely sound we are hearing this. Check it out. Check it out. And the constantly turning will help fry and sealing that curry into our meat now. And Joe?
Yeah.
Because we really don't want it to steam. We want it to seal in that beautiful seasoning and curry.
And fry all of it and then we'll turn it again.
Alright.
If we look here, we see after a few minutes we get the curry to stick at the bottom like this.
Yeah.
This is when we want to lower the heat a bit, let it fry up nice. And then we're going to lower the heat and put a lid on it. And medium to low heat for a little bit.
Yeah.
So spring all the water, all that first water as they call it.
Yeah.
And then we will check in on it in a bit once we cover it down. Here we go.
Alright, so let's check in. Interesting. So it is steaming right now.
Spring its own water.
Springing its own water. I like that. Looking real good, people.
Spray the bottom so nothing burns from the original fry.
Okay. Oh boy. Hear that bubbling there. Bubbling. It just stirring up my appetite. So Joe, since you're seeing a little bit of sauce here and it's nearly dried out, you think we should boil some water?
Yeah, boil in the water better so it'll change the temperature of the duck. Sometimes when you put cool water on something hot, it can make it a little tough.
I believe in that as well, yeah.
We're trying to stick a bit
Yeah.
as the water dry down nice. We're gonna let it fry up a little bit again. And then once it's fried up a little bit, we're gonna add the hot water on top.
Alright.
That will be good for the next boil, and then we testing a bit the texture and seasoning.
I wonder if it's soft.
You can see your piece and these are cutlets.
Yeah. Let's try a piece.
So Come on, you can solve.
Hey.
Not a piece of skin though, so need a bit of a meatier piece to really test it.
Alright, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Hot, 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 hot. Nice, looking good. Nice color there. Let's try it out. Mmm. Tasting smooth. The curry smooth.
We are gonna add enough water now to make some sauce because we tasted duck and see it was soft, right?
Yeah, real soft and nice. We're having a family dinner. This yummy. Smell real good though. Real good. You know? Woo! As I talk about Chief Brand products, I want to give a big shout out to Roshan. Big shout out to Naima.
And here's that perfect meal of how to make Trinidad Curry Duck in Calgary. I've given you on my YouTube today all our secrets, so go back and check every little detail. Let's go!